In mid-2019, Insider was asked to look at a 2-story house for renovation purposes. The house is located on a 12 by 30 south-facing plot within a housing complex in West Jakarta. The owner has just purchased this house and is looking to refurbish it into a home fitting for their family of 4. While they are open to minimally alter any structure if necessary, the challenge in this project is simply how to transform the existing spaces on relatively minimal budget. Upon first visit, the house does feel lacking in spaciousness considering this is sitting on a relatively large 360 square meter plot. Upon entry, one is greeted by a 4,000 by 5,000 millimeters guest room partitioned by a solid stair leading towards the second floor. Past the stairs, there's a 4.6 by 6.2 living area and dining area, with the kitchen tucked in the corner with no access to daylight. The living dining area is faced north to a garden pond opening up to daylight above. Ramping on the east and north side of the first floor are supporting programs such as dirty kitchen, storage, maid's bedroom, and stairs to the second floor. Meanwhile, on the second floor there are 3 bedrooms with small ensuite bathrooms. After reviewing the existing floor plans, we proposed one major renovation, which is to relocate the stairs so that we can combine guest living, dining, kitchen, and garden area, which is now converted into an indoor pool. Support programs such as storage and maid's room are combined so it occupies the east side of the property only, without encroaching the full length of the property. We also propose to demolish part of the corridor on the second floor so that it properly frames the grand space below. The result is a clean, grand double-height open space that is flexible, accommodates living room, dining room, and shows the full extent of the property. Kitchen area is also extended and now facing the living dining area. Access between both kitchen, wet and dry, is placed underneath the stairs, so it is hidden and access can directly support the kitchen operation without cross-circulation. The second floor stays mostly intact. However, we decided to reclaim some of the outdoor areas as much as possible and integrate them as part of the room. An outdoor corridor leading that is underutilized in the east side of the master bedroom is now integrated as part of the master bedroom space. In addition, the master bathroom is relocated to the north side, gaining ample sunlight and renovated outdoor space into an outdoor deck. Another unused outdoor deck in the southwest part of the house is also reclaimed as part of the walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom for one of the bedrooms. As part of the cost-saving strategy, we try to refurbish most of the existing materials as much as possible. With changes in the plan, we used existing marble floors and moved it to selected areas. Additional areas where marble quantity is not enough, finishes are replaced with homogeneous style or wooden decking. The same strategy is applied on the second floor. With all interior architecture resolved, the facade only becomes a means of an end. Architecture embellishments in the facade, such as built-in planters, were removed. We were lucky that the existing roof structure is still in great condition, as well as the terracotta roof tiles. A major move in the facade primarily happened in the front massing, where we converted that was originally a hip-pitched roof into a gabled condition with modern detailing. We also took the opportunity to open up parts of the ground floor facade to allow continuous airflow through the grand space and out the open area above. Contrasting paint color is used in the exteriors and flowed through the interior to represent interlocking space between the old and the new.